guys. I'm super excited to get started, but before I do, I'd like to ask you to please press that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazingly magical content like this. Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to be comparing my favorite silicone, the Unicone Art Magical Cell Forming Silicone, with a common favorite, the Nourishing Plus Coconut Milk Hair Serum. I've never used the coconut milk before, so I'm very excited to see the results. So here I've got some Artist Loft paint that I've already mixed with my Floetrol, white, black, and a pink mixture that has a little bit of light magenta and neon pink. Alright, now I'm only going to put silicone in the black and in the pink, so let's separate them here. I'm going to start with the Unicone silicone, and I just want to do like the smallest drop. I don't know if you can see that, but if I could do a half drop, I would. And the same in the pink. All right, now for the coconut milk. Just a tiny drop. If it will drop. Oh, I gotta twist it to open it. Oh, that's too much. That's all right. Some of it's on the spoon here. Okay. I think we'll be okay. Just a drop. That's much better. Awesome. Now we just got to stir it a bit. Okay, now that we are fully mixed, I believe we are ready to go. This is the order I think I want to put my paint. And I'm going to keep the Unicone art on the left and the coconut on the right. I am super excited, guys. Let's get started. right, so the paintings have had time to dry, and I gotta say I am super happy with the results. Both paintings are absolutely beautiful to me. The first painting is the one with the Unicone Art Silicone, and these are cells that I'm very used to seeing. We have a lot of really big cells, but the small cells inside are not very defined. They're a little blurry, a little cloudy, but there wasn't much more expansion from the wet to the dry. So these are very good results, in my opinion. The next painting is the one with the Nourishing Plus coconut milk. And wow, look at these cells. A lot of them are not very big, but there's a lot of definition to them and the very small ones on the inside. It's almost as if they're brighter. We did lose a little bit of that black section in the upper left, which could be because I added a little bit too much to the black paint. All in all, I'd say that both of these silicones are great and can give you a unique design depending on the overall goal of your piece. That's all for today. I hope I was able to help, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.